In our journey today, we explore the profound spiritual insights that guide our existence. These divine messages connect us to higher truths, helping us navigate life's challenges and discover our purpose. By understanding these messages, we open ourselves to transformation, growth, and a deeper connection with the divine. September 6th carries deep spiritual meaning, symbolizing renewal and preparation. This day invites us to reflect on our intentions and cleanse our spirits. As we recognize its significance, we prepare ourselves for upcoming revelations that can transform our lives and deepen our understanding of divine guidance. Awareness of the signs surrounding us is crucial for spiritual growth. We must take a moment to observe our intuition and feelings, as they often lead us to valuable insights. This journey encourages us to stay receptive to divine messages, preparing us for significant transformations and personal evolution. God's message highlights the importance of unity among all beings. By fostering connections and embracing diversity, we can create a harmonious environment. Acts of kindness, empathy, and understanding not only enrich our relationships but also contribute to a collective awakening, paving the way for a more united and peaceful world. Self-reflection is essential for personal growth. Consider the changes you've undergone this year, including the challenges faced and the breakthroughs achieved. Acknowledging these transformations allows you to appreciate your journey, understand your progress, and set intentions for future growth, ultimately aligning more closely with your true self. Preparing for change involves both spiritual and mental readiness. Embrace the uncertainties that lie ahead as opportunities for evolution. By cultivating a positive mindset and staying open to new experiences, you position yourself to adapt effectively, allowing for personal development and the realization of your full potential. During uncertain times, unwavering faith becomes our anchor. It's essential to trust the divine plan that unfolds for us, even when the path appears unclear. This faith allows us to navigate challenges with resilience, providing comfort and strength as we align with our higher purpose and spiritual journey. In conclusion, embracing readiness for revelation requires an open heart and mind. Approach each day with curiosity and receptivity to divine insights. To continue this journey of spiritual growth, subscribe for more content and stay engaged with future messages that will guide and inspire your life.